to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Alright, we're finna do a test fit to go to Offroad Rucci's, first in the world, on the Ford Bronco. If y'all done seen one on some Offroad Rucci's, y'all let me know in the comment section. But I ain't seen now. Then he got one of the seats back. This is what the interior gonna look like here. We're gonna be installing the steering wheel as well on this video. We're just gonna test fit the wheels just to see how it look. I'm gonna take them back off because I got a cut and buff. I'm gonna let it sit out for about a week so the clear can harden up. I just did the flow coat. I did it yesterday. So we're gonna pull the truck out, start test fitting the wheels. Hold on, let me show you the other ones. He actually got 5 of them, because he got one going as a 5th wheel on the back. But here's the other ones. Got this wheel here, all the looking that's out. Y'all can see it's 4-wheel drive, so he had to get them special made for it to go over this here. All right, we're gonna set the wheel up on it. Let me give him a hand, y'all. Y'all wait one second. Do y'all think it's gonna clear? We're gonna know in a minute. All right, let's go and lift it up. On it. All right, we got the front one on. We just gotta put the lug nuts on. We don't know about clearance yet until the truck get lower. What y'all think it's looking like so far? Got this side here on. He tightened up the cap now. And we just got to do this side. We'll be good to go. Now we're working on putting the steering wheel on. Here's the steering wheel. The old, the new. Show you the wheels. Everything clear good. Like I said, we're gonna let it sit out for about a week. Let the clear harden on up. And then we're gonna start sanding back on it for the cutting buff. Then after that, we're gonna put all the trim and the lights and stuff back on and the top. I gotta do the top also. We're gonna bed line the top. What's the name of these roaches here?
Ratchet.
Ratchet. These the Rucci Ratchet. Off-road. With the 33. The tires is 33 by 12.50. Y'all tell me what y'all think.
Stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the